was playing catcher today. That's fine. Stay. Sometimes working on vehicles is not fun. Welcome back to the shop. Today, I bet my springs are going to go bowed when I take this out of there, but let's see if gravity can help us out. Today I'm working on a big old work truck. The spindle got cooked. That's still warm. We'll leave those be. It's actually gorgeous outside. I've got everything except for the breather off of this. I'm gonna get out from under this. Moving right along. Go the other way. Here's the new unit, at least the new to us unit. It's got the bolts broken off in the yoke, and it's kind of crusty. But hopefully it'll be better than the housing we have. And hopefully I won't have to switch all the internals over. But let's go ahead and get all this stuff off of here and get it ready to go under that truck. Gun. It's going to take some extra persuasion. I would not have thought those bolts would come out that easy. Looks like this thing lived in a swamp for part of its life. Well, I don't know how long it was sitting out in this guy's backyard on a pallet. Oop, dropped something. Mike. Just for you, Mike. Pinion's gonna be challenging. Maybe I should back this up and use my air tools. These are pretty beefy rear end housings. AAM American axle manufacturing, used in GMs and Dodges and Lord only knows what else. I think I'm going to move this out over the asphalt so I can cut the U-bolts off. I did pick up some new U-bolts for this job. Reusing U-bolts in these situations is less than optimal. We're just not gonna do it. Those jobs. Welcome to the Rust Belt. This is the stuff we get to work on. I don't think that has a posi in it. It's supposed to have a posi in it. The reality is, if I have to rebuild everything out of the other axle into this axle, I can do that. It's not really what I want to do, but looks like this axle seal is leaking too. Some of you guys are probably wondering why I'm doing this outside. The big reason is, one, because that truck's huge. Two, because it's beautiful outside. Pretty chance it's going to be cold and crappy. So I thought it'd be nice to enjoy a little of the outdoors. take this caliper off. I should probably get some gloves. Well, I won. That's probably hot. Backyard blue. Somebody's been in there. Ooh, the fluid in this is clean. That's a good sign. Ooh, that was almost a full turnout. It's a little loose, but everybody does them different, I guess. Ah, right in the drink. There I go dropping stuff again. At least it'll be well lubricated, I guess. Spindle looks good. It hasn't been completely roached. That's a good sign. That's a good start. Oh, too low. That's got a brand new drive shaft in it. I want to drink too. Full turn. It's a little excessive bearing preload. So this spindle has actually been replaced. You can tell because there's a weld in here that's not a factory style weld. These are built with friction welding. So there's a company out of the I don't know, Southern Ohio somewhere, and it's like $1,800 to have this repaired and the hub rebuilt. They didn't do any brake work on the park brake, but we thought about doing that on this one, and we ended up finding this axle. And I'm just going to use this one because it'll work just fine. It's got some good parts in it. It's clean. I'm going to change my backing plates over from my old axle because they're in really good shape. Alright, well, that axle's stripped down so I can use all my good parts. I still have to get the pinion off and pull the diff cover off. Check my gears, just make sure it's what the guy said it was. I'm going to put a new pinion seal in it. I actually found the vent was plugged, which is probably why the pinion seal and axle seals kept leaking on this one. So I'll drill that out so that it can breathe correctly. Otherwise, I'll be doing axle seals and pinion seals in this again. It has to be able to breathe expansion and contraction. When the breather is plugged, it's going to leak. So the good news is hopefully it won't rain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but hopefully it won't, because I don't like working in the rain. But I've started it outside and it's going to have to get finished outside. So at any rate, I'm going to shut this off at this point because it's getting dark. I don't like working in the dark. I'm hungry. It's dinner time. So I don't know, we're going to close this off right here or not. Maybe this will be a two-parter. I don't know. At any rate, click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. Thanks for coming along for the ride on the bits that we do about working on stuff. Have a great day. Well, you can see I haven't left yet. That happens from time to time. Three bolts I couldn't get out. But these things work awesome. Deep well bolt extractors from Cornball. Fluid's clean and it has a locker. That's good news. This pan can go right into the scrap bin, although I'm using my scrap bin for doing tree work right now, but we'll have that. So we got a pile of scrap piling up outside. Better get working on that tree so that tree's done. So I'm gonna have my scrap bin back. I gotta clean up and go. See you on the next one.